say, I feel places, the morning.
There is a rose in Spanish Harlem. Yeah, man, hold it.
People, you see, I say, reggae was say, I mean, I started. And the first artist did say, Rassarella, I'm have to sing around here. And the first artist sing a reggae will say, and from that, I tell him, say, any night you find a reggae will say, you want to sing, look here, who I sing around here, you have to sing.
But none of that. We have to sing because it's a Rallington town link up. That if you tell them it's a East Kingston thing, no?
Yes, straight, right, that's it there.
Cut you big up yourself, me not mourning in the whole lady gone and, you know, we're there still and with us one with our vibes, still in the seat, so. Fred Knox, big up yourself, saying, great to see you, big brother. Run it! There is a road. There is a road. There is a rose in Spanish Harlem. What your boy, oh red rose up in Spanish Harlem. See, it is a special one. It's never seen the sun. It only comes up when the moon is on the run. And all the stars are dreaming. One yes, it grows up in the streets, right up through the concrete, looking sweet. And gleaming, well, yeah, there is a rose in Spanish Harlem. But your boy, oh, red rose up in Spanish Harlem. His eyes as black as coal, it gets down in my soul and starts a fire there and then I lose control. She got a beg your pardon. Oh yes, I'd like to pick that rose and watch her as she grows in my garden. But God, she la 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 la, yeah yeah, la 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 la. Ladies in the day, watch me. I'll hold you and touch you, make you my woman. I'll give you my love with sweet surrender. Tonight our hearts will beat as one. And I'll hold you and touch you and make you mine. There is a road. There is a rose in Spanish. Dash for that. Give me an extra. Anything. Yeah. Yeah, them man fight come and read me about it. Me I go and sing the Mikey Spice tune. See? We not touch it. Watch it. LA's find the sunshine most of the time. Pull it up, no man. Where would I find? Hey, hey. LA's find the sunshine most of the time. And the feeling is there. Palm trees grow in winds that low. Don't you know? See, I keep working my way back. I'm a Jamaican boy born and raised. Nowadays I'm lost between two shores. And it's fine, but it ain't home. New York's home, but it ain't mine no more. See, I am, I say, you know one there, and to know one's earth all not even the chance. I I get lost and I can't even say why. Leaving me loneless. That's what I. We not fight, we just run some tune. Don't give me one. Give me this one. Yeah. Greatest love of you. So this is one of my latest single. Groovy. I want to have to sing for the woman. Let me know. We've seen the broken hearted, new love started, and then fade away. Love run out of energy somewhere along the way. Yeah. Oh, but a lady, no lessons to be learned for us. We've made the mountains we have climbed are far behind. Whoa, it's been all life long love song with every lyric saying that we're still number one. And to now compose all love has grown, and we have turned the proud into the greatest love affair of them all. No, no, big up yourself. Ladies again, watch me. And now we both should cherish the treasure at the rainbow's end. I said the game is finally over, and I knew that we would win. Yeah. Oh, but today, the lessons we have learned about us lady. The mountains we have climbed are far behind. Whoa, it's been all life long love song with every lyric saying that we're still number one. And it's now composed, all love has grown, and we have turned the crown into the greatest love affair of them all. Yeah. Give me a tune name, the woman then. Yeah, man, we just a whole of China, because we in the morning and they don't know when the holiday pass. It's not an easy thing to deal with, you know, see it? So the way to deal with it is, I'm a joy with my friends, you know, and well wishers and team. You know, see it? Can't find it? Is that on that? Alright, hold on there. Alright, while they might find it, give me a thing him call our wife. So, anybody in here, any woman in here married to no man? When I want to put up the ring, and them thing there, but you know, put on the ring head for mama. Yeah, man, put up the ring. Yeah, man. This is actually my latest single, and I just want to share it. This is for, I actually write this for my wife. So we extend it to all the wives, yes? Come on, la wife work too, you know. See? So, I just saw the thing, but play the tune. You know, give me, hold on, yeah, hold on, yeah. Call our wife. Start it right. Watch me, alright, watch me. I've got a woman sitting here at home. See that one right now? She's the most beautiful thing my eyes have seen, yes. Yes, I found this woman rare on a life. Yes, I find this lady more regal than a queen. Every time I take her out, she lights up every scene. She's got everything, no other can compete. Why, oh, why do I say these things? She makes a man complete. She's not my sister, but she's closer than this to me. I call her mother. She raised my family, and I call her wife. She's the better part of me. She's my all and all. Oh yeah. She's my life. What up now? We just share some tune now, man. Next. We share some tune in our way, some dry. Ladies, if the man them not telling you them something there now. Me married already, but we can't take on more. You know? So they can't come around here. Yeah, man. Give me that tune, let me hear it. You see this? That tune, you know, you have some man where them come and dance and them no go to the bar, none at all, them wait till you open your bill. Don't it? Scuminar, man. Yeah. When you spend that money, man, that's not too mean. Party with the woman, straight to man to a thing. Oh boy, why give me some space, make the whole a little time. Girl from me left and me say girl from me right. We don't come to find a man no liquor tonight. And we don't care who don't like to come to party with the woman them. No man to me liquor just to be to me blame. Ease up. Too much man. Will you hear? Dreadlocks. Blessings, big brother. Straight to man to a thing. Will you hear? Give me some space, make the whole a little time. Girl from me left and me say girl from me right. We don't come to find a man and liquor tonight. And we don't care who don't like to come to party with the woman name. No man to me liquor, just the weed to me blame. The woman name. We will shell down the bar if I don't carry the woman name. And the more them bubble and the more money spent, the woman name. We come to party with the woman name. Why and we don't care if a guy want fix. Every time we go to the bar, some boy come take it. And if we follow them, the woman them can't sit. And the woman make you dance all it. We come to party with the woman name. Lord, no man to me liquor, just to be to me blame. The woman name. We will shell down the bar if I should not carry with the woman name. Lord, and the more them bubble and the more money spent, the woman name. We come to party with the woman name. Watch that wire. Be careful of the boy, boom romance. Why every night he come and put there the kind of the dance. Man can't get a space, and the woman them can't get a chance. As we visit the bar, we make an advance. We come to party with the woman them. Lord, no man to me liquor, just the weed to me blame. The woman them. If we shell down the bar, if I tune and correct, give me the woman them. Dash! Give me a tune here, Boom Jaw. Yeah, man. And this is the last tune. Dedicated to all of the man them ablaze. There's something, and I must share with you now. I hear it's now me no smoke and spit, but You're the smoke of foreign country. Boy, watch me. One cover for the split Babylon, catch a fire. Two cover for the split and we chase with vampire. And if the obstacle no move, we blaze it up higher. A high grade from orange hill down the west, we require. You just say, whoa, this ya one ya are the boom dry. You just say, whoa, this a straight out of the top dry. You just say, whoa, boy, this ya one ya are the boom dry. If I know this you not smoke, not no much it. This a straight out of the top dry. I think now I'm in a different state of mind. And to the way me eyes are bleed, people see me and I shake, say me blind. Whoa, no, but I'm so high up in the cloud with a good meditation. And time ago we find my doctor's order, my medication. It just said, whoa, this ya one ya are the boom dry. It just say, whoa, this a straight out of the top dry. Yes, I say, whoa, whoa, this ya one ya are the boom dry. It just say, whoa, this a straight out of the top dry. Rich. It opens up my eyes to see that we're living in a fool's reality. But then I know that comes one thing. I just the power of Jah take us through the day. Bring me clutchy. I ain't that enough. Yeah man, reggae music sweet, you know. Matter it go. How what thing, you know. Rasta will not give time, you know.
He's up. Are you there mixy? Yeah man, Andy Livingston, give thanks. Make some nice Andy Livingston, man. Yeah man, one thing the reggae will say we acknowledge ones and ones, acknowledge greatness, you know. You say me